I'll guide you through every Cash App limit for sending, receiving, and Bitcoin without the stress of declined payments or rolling reset confusion. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's break down the latest official 2025 Cash App sending, receiving, withdrawal, and borrowing limits for both unverified and verified accounts, as these are set by Cash App and can change. To start, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Limits from the Account and Settings section to see your personal real-time caps. The single most effective way to increase almost every transaction limit is to fully verify your identity with Cash App by providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. For sending and receiving, standard accounts have much lower weekly limits, but verified accounts can send up to $7,500 per week and receive an unlimited amount. If you're using the Cash Card, remember you are limited to spending $7,000 per day and $25,000 per month, with these limits resetting daily at 6 p.m. CST. Always check the Limits tab in your Cash App settings for your personal real-time caps. And remember that ATM withdrawals have separate daily limits and fees. Specifically, ATM withdrawals are capped at $1,000 per transaction, per day, and per week, resetting every Saturday at 6 p.m. CST. For Bitcoin users, you can now purchase up to $100,000 worth of BTC per week once verified, though external wallet withdrawals are limited to $2,000 per day. If you require the highest possible movement of funds, enable direct deposit to unlock limits of $25,000 per deposit and $50,000 per day. Always use Borrow responsibly by making all payments on time, as your repayment history is one of the most significant factors Cash App reviews for future eligibility and potential limit adjustments. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.